Batman. Got the good old E-Revo, the KRATON, Big Rock, and the LOSI XLE. And there. TRAXXAS Tropical Edition. I was looking at my dude Kicks right here, man. Tell him you got the New Balance skate joints. You know what I'm saying? 440. My man got the New Balance skate joints. He was telling me about it, man, when I was racing, man. He said you got to check these out. New Balance 440s. Skater shit. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Next time you see me.
Oh. Mike Drones. Tell him about it, man. Y'all, this is Mike Drones right here.
What up? Mike Drones here. Follow me on YouTube, Mike Drones, MikeDrones.org.
Hell yeah.
I've been flying one of these for like 2 years. And it's just, it gives you the most amazing adrenaline rush in the world.
Cool shit, man. That's why we like this, man. That's why we love what we do, man. Cool shit. You got your GoPro strapped on the front. Mike Drones. Yeah, I'm subscribed to you, man. You'll see me. It's Kicks and Kits. You'll see it. Kicks and Kits, like shoe kicks and kits. Yep.
Okay.
Kicks and Kits. Yep.
And
yeah, we do shoes and RCs.
Got to.
Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a good one.
Mike Jones. Goddamn.
Yeah, look at that thrust. Jump over me. Jump over. You got the goggles. That's sweet.
Got the FP, the first person point of view type shit.
I know, right? Here's what we're sending. Oh. I think I got it.
Oh!
That was close. Sorry. Guys, that shit like the Matrix.
You did. Oh,
you got it.
at the last moment, man, I thought he was about to hit that.
Yeah, that was a little hard.
Tell him.
ES.
ES?
ES.
All right, cool.
It's literally just ES.
All my skater dudes, y'all heard it here first. Y'all heard it from the man here first. Vans, yeah, the van, everybody does Vans. Look up the ES.
Yeah. Or Nikes.
Oh shit, Nike's back in the skate game.
Oh.
Cool
We
shit.
got some Nigel Pros.
Man, was I think Dave Mirra. I used to watch XM. Yeah, Dave Mirra used to be on the, with Nike. Heads up! Hell yeah!
Dude, that drone's insane.
It is, man.
The fact that he like can just whip it around like it's
Hell yeah!
do a flip.
I see what he's doing. Damn! Oh shit! Yo, I put Mike Drones up against anybody out there. Any drone operator.
Great, you don't care about the track.
Any drone. Oh shit! I put him up against y'all.